Hi there, thank you for watching my video today. Today I have this idea of making this box. So let me show you how to make it. So these are all the parts that you are going to need to construct this box. So all of these are available in the file. Everything's sized for you. If you want to resize the box, just let it be a group file and then change the size of it and cut it out. So let's just start constructing this box. This is the base part, and you can see that the lines are already scored. So I'm just going to fold and burnish on these score lines so the box can take its shape. This 1/2 inch tab is the tab where I'm going to put glue. Oops. And I'm going to bring this side up and attach it to this tab. Make sure that this flap is flush against the score line on this 1/2 inch tab. Then we are going to put this like this so that these flaps are on the top, and you're going to put glue on each of these tabs. Has been already done for you, but as I told you earlier that this file is the freebie for this month, but all other files are available only to the members. So you need to have a membership to have access to all the files on the website. There are two payment plans. One is for the Busy Bee, where you have access to lesser files, and you're just doing this for the you're just doing it as a hobby. And the second one is the Busy Bee, which is for the professional crafters, and it comes with a lot of perks. Okay, so you can purchase the membership that suits you. All right, so let's just put this on top of the box because that's the last thing you want to face. Yay, it fits and it looks so cool. So let's just finish the box. So this is the part that's going to sit on top of the lid like so, and I am going to attach it with my all-purpose glue again. Like this. And again, this is cut in golden mirror cardstock. And you're going to put this on top like this. It makes a great favor box. You can change the colors to whatever theme you are having for the party. It makes a great wedding favor box as well, because it has a lot of space inside to put the stuff. And see how beautiful, how gorgeous this looks. Let's just finish this with a flower. Now this flower is also a part of the same file, and this has been designed by Stephanie herself. So let's just quickly shape the flower. So I'm going to take a skewer and give the petals the shape. Okay, so I'm going to do the same procedure over here with all the petals of all the sizes. Okay, box that's ready, and you can see, let me show you the finished dimensions of it. This box is 3 inches in height. Okay, I resized it a little bit, not too much, but you can always adjust the size, but make sure that the file is grouped before you move any of the parts of this cutting file, right? Okay, so I'm sure you're going to have a look at the website, and you might think of purchasing the membership as well, because man, they're coming with a lot of good things. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.